from Argentina. We came same spot 10 years ago from Argentina with my brother, dreaming to come here one day as a factory rider.
Honestly, I was 14 years old when I realized that I wanted to be a Dakar rider. To be Dakar champion is my dream, and every day I wake up, I think about this. I think it's a race that really be a better person and grow as a person, and also in your mind, your mentality, you know.
Now looking forward for the next events.
Really nice race. I think I did a really good job to finish on the podium again.
In the dunes, you lose time if you are the first rider, so I had to jump every single dune.
I want to do history and try to win this championship for me, for my brother also, that he won in the Dakar 23, for my family, for Argentina.
Incredible, it's a dream come true for me. I think I started 6 years ago in this sport, and yeah, it was a really long way to become world champion, and all the people that is behind me, all my team, and it's for Argentina also.